Hi, my name is Ferenc Nemeth and I'm the creator of the Drum School app. Today I'm sitting here with this beautiful Simmons SD600 electronic drum kit, and I'm going to show you how you can use this with my Drum School app. So let me just pull up first a very simple groove. This is a rock groove and this is called Rock 3 in the app. And what you want to do is you want to listen to the groove first. And you want to learn everything little by little. So first I'm going to learn just the right hand. I'm going to learn in a slower tempo. So I can slide it down. Let's see. If it's too fast for you, you can even slow it down more. Then what you want to do is you want to add the other hand, and you can just select the left hand, turn off the right hand, and the good thing is there is always a count in, so you know where the beats are. Then once you get that one, you can add together the two hands. And then you can learn just the right foot. And the next thing you want to do is learn the bass drum and the snare drum. Then you turn on the hi-hat and the bass drum and just play that one. And for the last step, you can have the snare drum, the bass drum and the hi-hat, and then you play it together. Once you've done all this, then slowly, gradually, you can bring back the tempo, and that's how you learn very quickly and easily a simple rock groove. So the next step you can do is you can go to Fields, and there are many fields inside the app. So let's just start with the first one, which is fairly simple. And if you choose one bar, you can just learn the field itself. And again, if that is too fast, then you slow it down, and first you learn it in a slower tempo. Then what you can do is you can select 2 bars, 4 bars, or 8 bar phrases, and let's say I'm just gonna click on the 4 bar phrases, and you play this groove for 3 times, and in the 4th bar you're going to play the fill. So that's how it's going to sound like. The app has many different grooves. We have over 400 different grooves. So you can go by style. Each style has a number of grooves, and you can choose, for example, if you want to play blues, then you go to blues. You have the notation, and again, you can do the same thing. You can basically slow it down, break it down, learn one by one each limb, and then put it together at the end. So there are many different ways you can use this app on the Simmons SD600 electronic kit. And you know, they have really cool sounds, beautiful tones. They recorded all the best drum kits, so you can really just have fun. Thanks for watching.